My favorite moment in this web was the Alumni Lecture Series. Not because I was presenting, but because you can see your colleagues, you can see your friends, and you speak to the students, to the new students, to the new graduate students, to motivate the new students that will become ambassadors of KAUST in the next couple of years.
It's out of the normal curriculum of the university. That's something that you usually don't have in many other universities.
It's a very unique time of the year in which the students can learn outside the classroom. They have the opportunity and privilege to meet speakers from all around the world.
After doing it for 10 years, KAUST has really perfected the web program. I must say that the impact of web was a huge impact in both my career and also my personal goals and achievements.